Okay, in this video we're going to go over the recommended end hooks, which is in number 20. So these are the recommended end hooks. This is the table criteria. You can just use that. It says here is the bar hook, the name of the bar hook. Form an extension, there's a diagram provided. Bend angle, the bend angle is provided in this column. Bend radius, the formula is also given here, the formula which to determine the bend radius or the bend angle. Okay, sorry. This is the bend angle. This is the bend radius. You'll have to calculate the radius of the bend using this formula. And then used bar from 6mm bars to 25mm bar in this case of primary reinforcement. And then we have the location where this where these are used. These hooks are used. So let's take a look at a few. So primary reinforcement. This is how this is supposed to look like. This is dB. Okay, dB, diameter of bar. And here the bend angle is supposed to be 180 degrees, and right over here the length after the hook is supposed to be 4 dB, which is also given here. The radius is shown here. The radius is supposed to be 2 dB, dB standing for the bar diameter. Okay, so this is the radius of the arc right over here. And used bar usually it is between 6mm dia bars to 25mm dia bars, and location is left splice end of anchorage. Now end of anchorage means, if you look at this picture, this is the end of anchorage, right? This is an anchorage, started over here, it went around the entire bar, came up here, and then formed a hook. So this is the end of the anchorage. This is that place. Okay, so this is where this is supposed to be at. Alright, and this bar right over here is actually this bar, this bar. Okay. After that we have tie and stirrups. For tie and stirrups, bar hooks for tie and stirrups. Form an extension that looks like this. Bend angle is this. Bend radius is this. Used bar is between 6mm diameter bars to 12mm diameter bars. The location of this kind of hooks are at stirrups, fastening bar, diagonal hook. So right over here we can see fastening bars. Right over here you can see fastening bars right over here. So fastening bars, here is the hook. This is the hook that is being specified right over here. Then we have primary reinforcement again. This is for bend up and embedment. Two locations, slab. It is bend bar in slab. Okay. Alright, so this is the recommended end hooks for different kind of bars: primary reinforcement bars, tie or stirrup bars, primary reinforcement bars again, and then slab. So this primary reinforcement, this kind of primary reinforcement hook is for left splice, end of anchorage, which I have seen, and this kind of primary reinforcement hook is for bent up for embedment. Okay, alright, so yeah, that was it for this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one.